One of these is free. The other costs $20 a month and lives right inside Excel. So the obvious question, does paying actually get you a better spreadsheet assistant? I lined up ChatGPT and Microsoft's Copilot on the same 5 Excel jobs: formulas, messy data, charts, insights, and cold hard cost, and kept score. By the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves your money and which one you should never pay for. The final score honestly surprised me. Quick rules. Same 5 tasks, same data, both tools. 1 point per round, best of 5, and price is the tiebreaker. Copilot's big advantage, it's built into Excel so it can read your sheet directly, no copy-paste. ChatGPT's big advantage, it's free and it'll work with any data you throw at it. Round 1. Round 1. Writing a formula. Ask both for an X lookup that returns not found with no match. ChatGPT gives you a perfect formula and explains every piece, but you still have to copy it back into the cell. Copilot writes the same formula and drops it straight into the sheet because it's already there. For pure formulas, living inside Excel wins. Point, Copilot. Round 2. Cleaning a messy column. NY, New York, N.Y. all mixed. Here's where Copilot gets picky. It wants clean, structured tables to work well. Hand it a chaotic column and it stalls. ChatGPT does not care. Paste anything, misspellings, mixed formats, junk, and it standardizes the whole thing instantly. Flexibility beats fussiness. Point, ChatGPT. We're even. Round 3. Turning numbers into a chart. ChatGPT tells you exactly which chart to use and the steps to build it. Great, but you're still clicking through the menus yourself. Copilot just builds it. One request, and the chart appears in your sheet. Formatted, done. When the tool lives inside Excel, it doesn't describe the work, it does it. Point, Copilot. It's back in front. Round 4, making sense of the data. Both can summarize. But ask a real question. What should I actually worry about here? And the gap opens up. Copilot stays cautious and close to the cells. ChatGPT reasons out loud. It flags the declining region, explains why it matters, and tells you what to do next, in plain English. For genuine insight, not just numbers, ChatGPT pulls ahead. Point, ChatGPT. All tied up going into the last round. Round 5, the tiebreaker, cost and reach. Copilot needs a Microsoft 365 subscription and only works inside Microsoft apps. ChatGPT is free, works with Excel, Google Sheets, a CSV, a screenshot, anything, and it's the same tool you use for email, writing, and everything else. $0, zero lock-in. This round isn't close. Point, ChatGPT. And that's the match. Final score, ChatGPT 3, Copilot 2. But here's the honest verdict. If your company already pays for Microsoft 365, Copilot is genuinely great. Living inside the sheet makes formulas and charts effortless. For everyone else, free ChatGPT does about 90% of it and costs you nothing. So don't pay on day one. Start free, get comfortable, and only upgrade if you ever hit a wall. Most of you never will. The 5 prompts I used on both tools are in the description, free, copy-paste ready. The AI voice you're hearing is 11 Labs, linked below too. And subscribe, because next time I'm taking one messy real-world spreadsheet and having ChatGPT build an automatic monthly report that emails itself. Hands off. You'll want that one. See you there.